Hey YouTube, I'm doing another. Hey YouTube, I'm doing another video on my Nerf gun thing and my real gun. So here it is. Dang it, I forgot to. One sec. There, I got it. And also, it's a Nerf gun, so screw real guns. And it easily comes to not dangerous. I can make illegal bullets. Do you see it? Over there? Ah, not there. Yeah. I shot an M4 M9. Now time for the big gun. I'm gonna shoot an M5. Elite Nerf. Okay. This has 6 rounds. This has 6 rounds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dang it. Got all 6. See? Let me zoom in. Ugh. Can you see? Yeah. So, please leave a comment below what kind of Nerf gun I should use next, and go fuck yourself. Bye.